Hey everybody, welcome back, and as you know, I have another nail tutorial for you guys today, and it's for these fun, funky polka dots. I am using Sally Hansen polishes for this. The gray is Grease Lightning and the lavender color is Heather Hustle. I have 2 coats of Grease Lightning on all my nails except for my middle and ring finger, and then I have 2 coats of the lavender polish on those Heather Hustle. I'm using this Winstonia brush. Here it is compared to my finger, so you can kind of see how big it is. It's a little bit fluffier and it's going to help me get these nice bigger polka dots. So you just want to shape those out. You can kind of smooth out the edges and then fill in the middle. Get it how you want it. It just takes a little practice. I couldn't find anything big enough to just like stamp the dot, and so I just preferred doing it with a brush. So I did find maybe the end of a pen, but it was so unforgiving and flat that it was hard to use on a surface that wasn't flat, if that makes sense. So I just preferred doing it with a brush. So I'm just going to do them all about the same size, stagger them a little bit. Some have 2, some have 1, and put the opposite color of the polish that's on the nail. So that just makes it kind of fun. I got this idea from Stone Nails on Instagram. She has amazing tutorials. I'll put a link to her Instagram down below. She used black and white, which I really loved because it's kind of classy. Anyway, but this one's kind of fun, and I like these 2 colors together. So another one here, and then when those are dried, you want to go ahead and use your fast dry top coat. As always, I'm using Glisten and Glow. It's my favorite one. And that's the final look. Give me a thumbs up if you like this and you're going to try it out. And if you do, use hashtag inspired by gopolish so I can see it. Thanks guys, see you next time.